Do peanuts have an impact on sexual functions? What about their effects on cardiovascular health and the development of cancer cells? These topics and more are covered in depth in this video. Peanuts are abundant in essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial fats. They also serve as a valuable source of plant-based protein, a vital macronutrient that plays a critical role in muscle, bone, and tissue repair and growth. Were you aware that just 1 ounce or 20 grams of peanuts contains approximately 7 grams of protein, equivalent to the protein content found in a glass of milk? Now let's explore the potential consequences of consuming peanuts daily. Firstly, they can assist in managing blood sugar levels. Peanuts possess a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause a rapid surge in blood sugar levels after consumption. In fact, several studies have indicated that peanuts may actually help lower blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This is due to the high fiber and healthy fats found in peanuts, which slow down carbohydrate absorption and aid in preventing blood sugar spikes. Secondly, they contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Peanuts are rich in hard, healthy, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can contribute to lowering LDL or bad cholesterol levels, while simultaneously improving HDL or good cholesterol levels. They also encompass the compound Resveratrol, an antioxidant that contributes to reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, they aid in weight management. If your goal is weight loss, opting for peanuts as a snack instead of sugary or junk foods might be a wiser choice. This is due to their high protein and fiber content, which promotes satiety, curbs appetite, and prevents overeating. Furthermore, they play a role in enhancing brain health. Niacin, a B vitamin found in peanuts, is essential for cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity. Peanuts also contain thiamine, which is vital for optimal nervous system functioning. The presence of the antioxidant resveratrol in peanuts is particularly beneficial for the brain. The studies conducted on animals have linked this antioxidant to increased cerebral blood flow, thereby reducing the risk of a stroke. Moreover, they offer protection against the proliferation of cancer cells. Peanuts harbor an array of antioxidants, including flavonoids, phytosterols, and resveratrol. These compounds shield the body from oxidative stress and counteract the detrimental effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells. Excessive free radical activity has been implicated as a potential mechanism for the development of cancer cells. This implies that the consumption of antioxidant-rich foods can contribute to reducing the risk of cancer. Moreover, they possess anti-aging properties. Peanuts contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that safeguards the skin against damage induced by free radicals. Consequently, this can diminish signs of aging and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Furthermore, they can enhance sexual function. Peanuts are abundant in arginine, an amino acid that converts into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide aids in the dilation of blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and circulation. Several studies have demonstrated that arginine supplementation can be effective in treating mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. Additionally, in vitro and animal studies indicate that arginine may enhance semen quality, elevate testosterone levels, and boost libido. Both human and animal research also suggests that resveratrol, the antioxidant found in peanuts, can improve sperm quality and erectile function. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and click on the video displayed on the screen for more information.